G'day legends, Mark the Bearded Tech Skiing coming to you from the show floor, Integrate 2025. Standing here with Martin Callaghan, mate. Good to see you again.
Yeah, you too.
Now, this whole UC acquisition from Alloys, or Alloys over Exclusive Networks, it's a fantastic solution, fantastic distribution method, and you've got great people in your team. Now, what you've done is actually put together this space. You're calling it the Express Room.
Yep.
Yeah, and what's the concept behind the whole Express Room theory?
Okay, so the concept behind the whole Express Room is to enable a simple one-SKU product set
Yeah.
that will go into a Teams room environment, small huddle room. So this product here is made up of an LG panel, X32, TC10,
Yep.
desktop stand, and then with that you get a remote installation of Teams and 12 months ongoing support, and it all comes in one SKU. So you only have to order one SKU.
Yeah.
This all comes together.
And essentially everything's done for you.
Everything's done for you.
Yeah, and I suppose the reason why I mentioned the whole Exclusive and Alloys acquisition is that there's a lot of partner clients, I suppose, of the Alloys database that are coming from different perspectives, and they're looking for a simple solution because they're walking into these rooms and these offices and stuff, and they're looking to support that as well because they're getting asked about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of when we put the two businesses together, obviously increased the client base that we had.
Yeah.
Some come from the UC side of the business and understand it.
Yeah.
Others don't. So this product really caters for them to actually start getting into the UC space.
Yes.
Some of them that are current AV partners, some might be print partners.
Yeah.
But when they go to roll out a room or want to get involved in UC, they look at a camera and go, oh no, I've got Teams, and then it's like,
Yeah.
So this solution enables them to sell that whole team solution in one hit and take the thought out of it.
So and so by doing that, I mean, let's get into this sort of CollabTech collaboration, I guess it is, isn't it? Like Microsoft Teams, it can be finicky. Make sure you get the right licensing and get all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
CollabTech, who are they, and where are they coming into the picture here?
So CollabTech are the partner that we've gone down the path with here to actually do the remote deployment or the remote installation of Teams.
Yep.
And also then the ongoing support with Teams. So if there's anything goes wrong with the system over that 12-month period, you make a phone call to CollabTech.
Fully supported.
Fully supported for 12 months.
For 12 months. Yeah.
So they set up the room, they set up the Teams on the system.
Yeah.
And then ongoing support from there.
And they get people through the training and all sorts of stuff. Yeah,
so as our partner, all they have to do is sell the product.
Yep.
If you like, we give them a bit of paper and an Allen key, a bit like a flat pack IKEA.
Yeah.
Right? They put it together.
Yep.
Once it's together, they make a phone call. Remote installation. Bang, done.
Get it on the network, away they go.
Away they go.
Sweet. Mate, it's really, really cool. So this is the 55-inch.
This is a 55-inch panel.
So where does it go to from here? I mean, this is probably limitless as to the amount of combinations you can create.
Yeah, correct. So the first cab off the rank, if you like, is this solution here, and we want to sort of put it out there and see how it goes. And we've had some very, very strong response from this.
Yeah.
Obviously, when you start talking to people like this, the first thing they say is, "Oh, I want to put a trolley with it."
Yeah.
Or I want a bigger screen.
Yeah, it's inevitable.
Can I get the same support process by rolling it into a bigger room?
Yeah.
So yes, all those things, and this is a scalable product set.
Yeah.
So this stand here, that's a tabletop stand, we can actually fasten it to the table if it needs to be holding a bigger panel.
Yeah.
But we can hold up to a 65-inch panel on this here, so you can go up in space.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Obviously,
so that's an easy transition. That
easy
one.
transition.
Yeah.
You can mount the camera either on the bottom here or on the top here, so there's flexibility where you put the camera.
Yeah.
You can put flexibility of what camera you put there. We can even put flexibility of what panel we put here as well, because obviously with Alloys having numerous panel providers, if we wanted to go to a touch panel, we could go to a touch panel.
Yeah, nice.
Right? But this is the first solution,
Yeah.
and from here we'll evolve it
Yep.
as demand or as
see
required.
where it goes. Yeah, as demand requires.
Correct.
Yeah, which is because you might see there'll be a SKU that just continuously turns.
Yeah.
Fantastic, first attempt, and going to be a great solution. Like it's solid products, right? So it's going to be a rock solid solution. The sky's the limit from here, but this is just a start. This is the Express Room Solutions from Alloys. People want to come down. You can see more at the show floor, or go to your website.
Go to the website, or again call us on the number.
Yep.
And
away you go.
Reach out and contact us
Come say
directly.
good day. Right. Thanks for your time, mate. Appreciate it. Come and check it out, guys.